Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ashlee, I'm with the training team at Space & K and I'm here to show you my New Year's Eve makeup look. Let's get ready. First up, I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of base just to keep everything nice and clean and serene. I'm going with my Eldridge Skin Tint. As you can probably tell from the packaging, it's very well loved. I'm wearing shade T8. I really like to go in with a buffing brush with this just to keep it really light. And the key to a good party makeup is lots of little layers that last. I'll start with something quite sheer and I'll build it up as I go along. I just love that it looks like skin, and it also has so much skincare in it as well. But the more you use it, the better your skin seems to be. Look at that glow. So as you can probably see, I've gone straight in with my tint. I didn't use a primer. As you'll see in the previous video, I've added quite a lot of skincare and it gave me such a gorgeous glow. I didn't need to. I didn't need to add anything, so check that video out. Skincare prep. There'll be a little cheeky link below so you can see how I got a glow even before I started with my makeup. I love these. Charlotte Tilbury have come out with these gorgeous little quads. I'm just gonna start with this shade here, just to keep a nice, even, so you've got a nice clean canvas there for your eye makeup. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my gorgeous Laura Mercier. I love these sticks, these caviar sticks. This is the shade Khaki. It's kind of got a green, browny fleck in. I'm going for quite a lived-in, cool girl, smoky eye look. I think it's very on trend this year. What I like to do is just warm it up on the back of my hand so it's nice and creamy. And then I'm gonna go in just on the outer edge of my eye, just to get that shape and really play up those shadows. Going with a nice fluffy brush, just so you can blend everything gorgeously. And just keep to that outer corner, just round, circular motions. So quick and easy, but it's already given me so much drama on my eye. So I've kind of got the like smoky shaping on my eye. Now I'm gonna go back in with my palette. I'm just gonna tidy up those edges with this shade here, just to keep it nice and soft. Next, I'm gonna go with my liner. I'm gonna get all the messy stuff out of the way so I can then tidy up with my concealer and the rest of my base. I'm going in with the gorgeous, gorgeous Victoria Beckham Satin Kajal. Do you know how happy I am that VBB is part of the Space & K fam? We love you, VBB. And just kind of doing a few dots. Just on the lash line. I'm keeping it really lived in there, guys, because I'm gonna be partying hard this New Year's, and I don't wanna be worried about my makeup, you know? I just wanna put it on, get in those photos, and have the best time. See, it's just this kind of soft smokiness. Easy. So that's kind of half the eyes done. I'm gonna go back to my concealer and my base now, because once that's set and it's powdered down, I'm gonna go underneath the eye. But I need all those liquid products to dry down first before I do that. So let's go in with our base. Got a little bit of darkness under my eyes, so I'm using a peach toned concealer to color correct. I use NARS Honey for this. I'm sure many of you have heard of the Radiant Creamy Concealer, but it's an OG, but it's the best for a reason. So I like to use a fluffy brush for my concealer, because I wear quite a few layers, as you'll see, to kind of counteract that darkness. And I'm just popping it where there's actually a little bit of discoloration. I'm not putting it all over under the eye, I'm just tapping it in here. Because this is just a colour correct. This isn't going to do everything. This is just taking down that blueness and that darkness that I feel can be a little bit more amplified when you're wearing a smoky eye because of the colours in the smoky eye, right? So just getting those. You'll see in my skin prep video as well, I put on quite an iridescent, quite a glowy eye cream to help with this light reflecting out of those hollows there. So now I'm gonna go in with my kind of main concealer. This is Charlotte Tilbury, Beautiful Skin. This has got kind of little glowy sparkles in it. So it looks really nice on camera. I'm just popping it onto my hand first because I like to have control about how much product I'm putting on. If you go straight in with the applicator, it's hard to get rid of it with a brush. And I'm just putting this a little bit further down. To me, your concealer is when you're like, yes, it's all coming together. Okay, so I'm going in with one more product under my eyes. Yes, I use 3 products under my eyes, but that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. We've got plenty of different formulas now that can really help people that deal with that darkness, those hollows. This is from NARS. This is the light reflecting under eye brightener. And you can actually use it on the rest of the face as well, anywhere you want to bring some light in. So I get a little bit of darkness here, kind of cheat, cute. I'm going to go in with the Refy next, which is another cream product, but this is not got any shimmer in it. This is purely just for an extra layer of colour. This is the Refy Cream Bronzer. Look how nice that is, guys. We love you, Refy. Thank you for being at Space NK at long last. Again, warm out the product. Then it's so much easier for you to work with. The key to not looking like you've got loads and loads on is just thin layers with a light touch. Okay, so I'm bronzed up. I do like a bit of bronzer, guys, so especially this time of year, I feel like it becomes my emotional support bronzer. I just need to make sure I've still got a bit of colour. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit of blush, a little bit of cream blush, because I'm gonna do all my cream products at the same time so that when it comes to setting, you can set down all of those creams with a powder. I'm going with the same stippling brush, because why not? So I'm gonna blend gorgeously. And this is Chouchette from Westman Atelier. And my favourite shades. Okay, oh God, look how nice. Looks a bit crazy when you first put it on, but don't be scared. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, it looks so much better, doesn't it? It looks a bit scary when you first put the cream blush on, but once you blend, you're all good, girls. Okay, now I've done most of my base. I think it's time to powder down, lock this in. I'm going in with the Hourglass. It's just so nice. It looks like nothing on the skin, and it's just so classy. The compact is giving 1950s starlet, so that's what I'm running with. Okay, tap, tap, tap. I'm just gonna go in really lightly. Really lightly, and I'm only going down the center of my face because I want to keep all this gorgeous glow. I'm just gonna put it here. Kind of. So that's locked in all the cream products. Now we're going to go back in with the eyes because I've locked all the moisture under my eyes, all the creamy concealers. I can go back in with my VBB liner. I'm just going to focus that on the outer edge here. You can actually use the tip on the end of this eyeliner to blend. Just adds this little sexiness to the look. This kind of lived-in sexiness. I feel like smoky eyes always look a bit crazy until you put on mascara as well, so don't worry if you look a bit crazy. I too look crazy. Okay guys, so that's kind of the base of the smokiness. Finito. But it's New Year's Eve. And what else to do on New Year's Eve but to go full on with the sparkle, and it's got to be cold-free for this. This is the most glorious shade. It's called Sona Sona. Look at that. It's like a little magical pot of love and celebration. It feels like so silky and lovely. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pat that in the center of my eye and see what this does. Oh my God, look how amazing this looks. If that doesn't say New Year's Eve, And I don't know what does. Look at that. This will look really nice under like candlelight as well, if you're going for a little cheeky New Year's dinner. Okay guys, now that's done, because I just had to get it on, because I've had this vision in my head all day. We're gonna do our eyebrows. I'm quite low maintenance when it comes to my eyebrows, but if you're someone that needs to have your eyebrows done to feel like you can get stuck into your makeup, then do your eyebrows first. It's absolutely fine. I'm just very, I don't know what my least favorite thing to do, so I just put them off. I'm going in with the Glossier Boy Brow Arch. This is very innovative. I'm going to show you why. You can control the point with this, and you use the lid to mold a fresh, sharp tip every time you use it. It's very clever. You just push it on here, and it's like brand new, fresh out the box. And I'm using the shade Dark Brown. Super light strokes for my brows. You don't want to look overdone. And I think sometimes it can make a makeup look a bit overdone if you just do too much with your brows. So, and then lock it in place with a cheeky little bit of Boy Brow. I've got them on clear because I didn't want my brows to be too like thick and dark, take away from the makeup. So I've just gone in with the clear one, but they have them in loads of shades as well. If you have quite sparse brows, pick one that's got your shade and you will love it. Okay, so eyes, base, brows, mascara. How could I forget mascara, guys? My Hourglass Unlocked. Love you, always. This is an espresso. Just because I'm using a brown mascara at the moment, but feel free to go for a full-on, really dramatic black lash with this look as well. And you know what I love about this mascara? Is the fact that it is tubing. I can't deal with still finding remnants of your mascara like days after you've worn it. Doesn't matter how much you thoroughly cleanse. But this one is tubing, so a bit of warm water. And that's it. Gone. Okay, so mascara done. I just feel like a princess with this shimmer on my eyes. Okay, what else do I need? Lip liner. Going with a little bit of lip liner. This is 2N by Lisa Eldridge. My favourite lip liners. Lisa, love you. These lip liners are the best. They're so creamy. Oh, is there anything nicer than using a fresh lip liner? I mean, there are, but it's particularly nice. You could put lip gloss over the top of this and just be on your way and go, that's it. But I really like these Hourglass Phantom lips because they're plumping. It just adds a little extra. This is the nudier one. This is Trace. But they have so many lovely colours. But I'm keeping it quite nude because the eyes are quite drama. Okay, so that's pretty much finished, but now is when you really zone in and you think about the parts of your face that you think need a little bit more. And yes, my skin was quite glowy after my skin prep, but I want more glow, so I'm going in with more highlighter. And I really, really like this one from VBB because it kind of sticks that balmy, dewy skin look that I'm going for. And I'm literally just popping it on here. Really lightly because I don't want to disturb what's underneath. But if you really want to be popping in all of those party pics, this is the one, guys. This is the one. Look at that. Glass skin that lasts. Okay, so I think that's all of it on. It is all of it on. Now is the time to kind of reassess, think about the balance. Are you happy with how everything is blended? I mean, those cheekbones, I'm very happy with, for sure. Maybe a little bit more powder and a little bit more blush. And I think that's it. So let me just go in with a little bit more powder. Just here, and lock it all in. And the more you mattify these areas, the more these areas are gonna pop. Oh, almost forgot the setting spray. Definitely need this for New Year's Eve. Who knows where the night's gonna take us. Locked in. 2026. So there we have it, folks. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready for your New Year's Eve parties. Thank you so much for tuning in, and keep an eye on all our lovely little goodies on our YouTube channel for further Space NK beauty inspiration. See you soon. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.